Hey guys, I know, no. My thumbnail probably threw you guys completely off, but here I am.
This is not clickbait. This is not clickbait. All of these changes have come. Disclaimer, this is not a clickbait video. I promise you that I am very well. And also, there was a death to the K in K Kurlz, which is now Karen Kurlz.
I hate when people clickbait me.
What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Karen Kurlz, previously known as K Kurlz. I will explain. That is what this video is actually about today. I am going to be giving you guys some updates and some information on what's been going on with my channel. If you follow any of my other social media accounts, you'll know that I've been restructuring my channel or rebranding and trying to get some better things out here, and this video is going to explain it to you guys. It is going to be one of the most real videos I have ever done, even though all of them are real because it's just me. But you may hear Caleb in the background because I have a 5-year-old, guys. If you don't know, I have a 5-year-old, and he likes to listen to his TV very loud. So you might also see him make an appearance because I am going to try and just film this straight through for you guys and get to the point. If you guys notice, my setup's a little bit different today. You can see my computer and everything, but I have some notes. I want to make sure that I touch bases on every single thing that I wrote notes on, and I get to get this information out to you guys. But I am just going to do a little beat on my face so I can run out and, you know, run some errands, and that's it. So let's get into this video.
Little Karen with a classy curl, a curly afro when it cuts hair. 19 when I tried to relax her. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I shut it all off. 24 when I got on natural.
So I'm just going to start putting on my makeup so we can go out. This is not going to be a makeup tutorial. It's just going to be me putting some crap on my face and letting you guys know about the updates to my channel. So like I told you guys, I am going to be rebranding. If you don't see me stare at you, I'm just going to be looking down in my mirror to make sure everything looks decent. And this is not going to be a crazy makeup look. It's just going to be literally my quick like 10-minute outside beat, okay? So with rebranding my channel, I just wanted to have something a lot more easy and accessible for everyone to reach me. I have been doing YouTube for literally an entire year now, and I didn't do too bad over my first year. I did get almost 1,800 subscribers last year. It was a little bit more, but you guys know how YouTube is. It fluctuates. It goes up and down depending on your subscriber situations. I am going to be doing a video on how to start your YouTube channel and some of the tips that I have for you guys from when I started. Some things that I wish I did know when I first got started so that I wouldn't be rebranding right now. But there are some changes that are coming to the channel. And
Did you say change? Change? I don't like change. Do you like change? I don't like change. How are you gonna change your name? I don't want to change it! I don't like change anymore!
I don't know about y'all. I like change. I like change so much I can't even decide what color to make my hair. I like change, y'all.
I know. So yes, there will be some changes coming to the channel. Most notably, my name. So a lot of people have asked me why I had a K in K Kurlz. And one reason, I'm going to tell you guys, one reason why I didn't want to put Karen, which is my name.
Karen. Okay, cool. Kill. Karen.
So Karen Kurlz, because I'm obsessed with, you know, natural hair, and I wanted to be able to create a channel for people to have a whole ton of DIY things like that you could just do at home yourself. Because when I started my channel, we were just in the beginning of the pandemic, and I thought, you know, nail salons, everything was closed. I know how to do a lot of this stuff at home, and you know, some of this I'm actually just learning while I'm showing you guys. Like, when I first started my channel, I was not doing acrylic nail sets, okay? I wasn't doing dip powders or gels or anything like that. I was doing press-on nails. So if you look at the earlier videos on my channel, I literally had like a video that had like press-on power, and it was literally me gluing on my press-ons because that's how I used to do my nails. I used to glue on my nails, and I did that for years. Even at work, like some of you guys may remember me from work. And I used to be in my office with my little nail kit, and I used to just glue my nails on when I needed to, and you know, make myself look a little bit more professional and put together. And unless I told people they were press-ons, they didn't even know. But anyway, you know, moving on from that, I had a ton of things that I know how to do that I could show you guys to make it a little bit more cost-effective and easy. So if you are a person who needed to, you know, look a little more, how can I say, a little more polished, then I wanted to be able to give you guys an opportunity to know how to do it at home yourself. Now, I don't claim to be a makeup artist. I don't claim to be a nail tech or a professional hairstylist. I do things that work for me, and I try and share with you guys some of the tips and things that I use and tools so that you guys can use it and it can be easier for you to do at home instead of spending your money everywhere else. I mean, we're in the middle of a pandemic. I don't know about you guys, but I don't just have like $1 million laying around for a pandemic fund to make sure have time for yourself, make sure that you're, you know, the way that society wants you to look, even though I don't really care about that, as you guys can say, oh, look at me, right? But whatever.
Who cares what society thinks anymore? I don't. Do you? Not me.
I wanted to show people you can be comfortable with doing things yourself instead of having to go out and spend money. I used to spend so much money a year on just going to get my nails done and, you know, just trying to make myself look perfect when there's no reason for it. You can literally go on Amazon, order yourself whatever it is that you need, and do your nails like I did. I put the descriptions and I put the information in the description boxes for you guys to know exactly where I got everything, and usually it has the cost with it, but everything that I use is super cheap. Everything on my channel is $30 or less. I probably need a slogan on there that says $30 or less. Even when I've done reviews of celebrities, like hair care routines, which I will also be adding more of in the future. You guys seem to like those, so I'll make sure that I get more of the celebrities and have their hair care routines posted, so you guys will see some of that coming soon as well. I will still have all of the same things on my channel that I currently have. For the most part, it's just DIY beauty. And by DIY, it doesn't necessarily mean creating the products yourself. For hair care, yes, I do show you guys how to make some of the products. Like I've made aloe gels and rice water. I'm sorry, not aloe gel, aloe conditioner. And I do need to show you guys how to make a flaxseed gel and get a little bit more of my DIY out there for you as far as just like hair products, because some of these out here on the market, they are taking my money, guys. They're taking my money. And then I also had an issue with people saying there was another K Kurlz, and there was, and her channel is actually a little larger than mine right now. So I do super appreciate all of you guys. It is super easy for me to do this transition now while I'm small, as opposed to waiting until I have like 100,000 subscribers or more and then trying to rebrand and get everything changed then. So I did personalize it and add Karen for Karen Kurlz, and now you guys will actually know my name instead of asking, hey, what's Karen for? And oh, there's another K Kurlz. There's not another Karen Kurlz, there's just mine. So all of my social media accounts are now also all linked together. They all have Karen Kurlz as the HTML links, and everything is just, it's so much easier for you to go to. If you guys seen my intros from before, my Instagram was something completely different from my Facebook and my Twitter. Everything had a different thing. Now everything is the same, so it will be a lot easier for you guys to look at. So again, so what my channel is basically going to be, what my channel is it basically just features DIY beauty at home. You're doing your makeup at home, your nails, your hair, whatever it is, skincare. I'm going to show you guys what it is that I use and let you guys know it's super affordable for you to be able to do them at home. So that is the reason why I have this channel. And sorry guys, I need to do something with this lip, right? Y'all, I had never come on here so messed and beat up before. It's like I don't even know how to do my makeup today. I should probably stop talking putting on lipstick, because look, it's crooked. So I'm going to balance it out, and I'm going to post like a lot more hair videos, because I noticed that I've been getting away from my natural hair videos, and I need to post those a lot more than usual. You guys may also notice some noise in the background. Like I said, I have a 5-year-old. His name's Caleb. If you don't notice from some of my other videos, he's in there. And with him, he likes to listen to his TV pretty loud. And we are in a super small place, okay, like in Philly. And that's why you guys always usually see me in my little corner.
Hi.
You want to say hi? Come here, baby. This is Caleb. Say hi, boo.
Hi.
Hey, you don't have any shirt on. Get out of here, naked guy. All right, get out of here, really, because you don't have any clothes on. But thanks for saying hi. Thank you. He gets hot like I do. Like, I don't even know if you guys realize I sweat so much in these videos. So, yeah. He's hot. He always takes off his clothes. I'm actually sweating right now, trying to just... I'm sitting here doing nothing but talking to you guys, okay? But anyway, I am going to... That's pretty much it. This is my go out look. I don't put on a ton of makeup. This is literally it. I'm not even going to add anything else. I don't care about the imperfections on my face. I'm going to fix my lip though, because that thing's mad crooked. There we go. Now my lips look the same color, I believe. I don't know. And then hair, I'm pretty much just gonna keep it like this, okay guys? Because I'm gonna be doing a video again soon, and it's gonna feature, excuse me, I need to drink some water. It is going to feature my hair, so I'm gonna be doing some wine curls. So if you guys actually saw what this studio looked like right now, you would understand why I'm kind of all over the place right now. I'm in between editing 3 different videos. So while I'm editing this, I'm realizing I hadn't gotten this video out to you guys, and I needed to get it out to you guys. It's super duper important because you need to know why there's changes. Even though I made a very super brief post about it on my other social media, I wanted to make sure that I made an actual video. I really hope you guys like the way the channel is going so far. If you guys have taken a look at some of the channel art, let me know what you think. I really try and keep you guys completely in mind when I design things. So I tried to make sure the colors and everything are what you guys would look for. If there's something else that you guys think that you need me to make a video on, let me know. That's pretty much it. So I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go out like this. Don't talk about my hair, guys. I'm just gonna go get some stuff so I can finish, you know. And this is real, okay? This is what people go. I don't go outside with my hair done every day. Yes, I am Karen Kurlz. Yes, I am a naturalista, but my natural hair is not always done. Most of the time it looks like this, and that's only because it's actually straight. It looks like this but curly, okay? And people that know me in my real life, they can attest to that, okay? If you see me in the markets in Philly, I might look like unrecognizable, you'd say. I don't know. Some people say you look different with makeup. I think I look the same with it. What do you guys think? But anyway, this is starting to get too chatty. So you guys, I hope you like it. I hope you guys enjoy my channel. Again, look out for all this new great content that will be coming your way. And if you guys like this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.